Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. Y'all, today I went to the dermatologist. Now, I went to ask her, I break out in the rash here, I break out in rash here, mainly it's red here and rash here. And I always thought it was the butterfly rash from lupus. But the last time I talked to my rheumatologist, he thought maybe it was rosacea. So the first thing I actually did was subscribe to Curology, because yeah, I'm an unboxing channel. I wanted to see what it was all about. Now, the first box I got, I was unsure of. They were smaller bottles. They sent me a cleanser, the medication, and a moisturizer. So I've been using that for a month. And I don't even think I've ever posted that video, y'all. I'm so behind. But I will post it along with this one. Just, yeah, because why not? Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. I'm Gina, and this is Miss Cali Cat. You want to say hi, Miss Cali Cat? Want to say hi? You sweet girl. So, anyway, today has been a busy day. I went to the dermatologist. And I went in, and I told her what was going on, and I showed her some pictures. Now, I tried on, I try the masks and stuff I get. And I got a 5-pack of these particular masks. It was Referral, I believe, the 24 karat mask. Well, I put it on, I left it on for the amount of time I pulled it off, and I had immediately rashed out pretty much, mainly right here, but pretty much my whole face. I'll try to pop a picture in over here so you can see what happened to me. So I showed her those pictures, and she said, yeah, it could be rosacea, but I was definitely having a reaction to that particular mask. So she's called me in a prescription to put on for when I have those bad reactions to the stuff that I try on. I showed her the Curology box because this one is my second one. It actually came in today. So I took it with me so I could show her what was inside. So this is what is inside my Curology. Of course, these were in a container. Yeah, I had to take all that out to show the dermatologist. So this bottle is bigger than the last one they sent me. And this is the cleanser. And I don't know if it was the cleanser or if it was the moisturizer they gave me, but one of these she thinks is what was making me have a little bit more acne. Just a few here and there, just a little increased from what I normally would have. But she said, yeah, there's lots of preservatives and stuff in these. It's probably one of these. I'll just have to keep trying it out and see what I think and see which one is causing it. I know I can use the First Aid Beauty and it doesn't bother me. So I've been using that as a cleanser and kind of just going back over it with this moisturizer to see if this cleanser would cause it. But she said that the prescription that they gave me was not the problem. Let me see if I can get it to where y'all can see what's in there. She said this was good. I could keep using this and it would be fine. She said she was going to see me back in 3 months. And if the rosacea was still an issue, we could approach it more then and then maybe do the allergy test, which we really don't want to do that, y'all. Have you ever been allergy tested? I have. And the one I went to many moons ago, they took needles and you just have rows and rows of different things and marker all over you and you can't get it wet and they see what you react to. They told me I was allergic to everything except cats and dogs. Imagine that. So, I don't know if her test would be more towards like the ingredients to the products or if she would test for the same things, grasses and such, which is what they tested for. And I learned a lot of things from that little, did you know that like cardboard, that you have a tendency to have like roach dust and stuff on the cardboard boxes? Yeah, I'm allergic to that. Y'all, I can't even go in the Goodwill store. As soon as I do, I break out in hives. It's something, I don't know if it's boxes or what it is, but there is something in that store. I can't even walk into it. Anyway, so she said to keep putting this on. That would be fine. If I have a bad rash out like I did with that mask, to put the topical cream that she is prescribing to me on it. But, you know, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about Curology, a little bit about my dermatology appointment. I wanted to film it, y'all. I had intended on asking her for permission to film her talking to me, all that stuff. But yeah, I ended up late. I ended up at my appointment 5 minutes late. Now, if you don't know already, I am one of those people, if I am not 15 minutes early, I'm late. So I was very, very late today. I don't know what happened. It just did. So anyway, let me pull up the pricing. I didn't get it filmed, but I figured I'd come on while everything was fresh in my head and tell you what she said. I expected a little more of, yeah, it could have been this ingredient in the mask that broke you out, kind of stuff like that. But she said it's just so hard to pinpoint what's causing breakouts and stuff without trial and error. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to be in the trial and error phase. I'm going to keep trying stuff out. If I see something breaks me out, I'm going to jot it down, jot down the ingredients, and see what the commonality is. You know, commonality, is that a word? I don't know. I'm still a little flustered from the whole thing. You know, I get the social anxiety. There was like 4 girls in there counting the doctor. I guess she was doing, you know, teaching students or something while she was in there. They were like taking notes of everything she said and stuff. So it was really stressful for me. And so I've still got a little bit of that anxiety going on. Okay, they have a 30-day free trial. All you have to do is pay $4.95 for shipping and handling. You're supposed to be talking to a real dermatologist, and you can go back and forth with them. And actually, you know, it said send pictures from this side, and this side. So I just pulled up some pictures I already had. Well, I had makeup on in them. So they asked me to go and stand by a window get in the sun. So I just went outside and took pictures right after I had cleansed my face. Nothing on it except moisturizer, so she could really see what is going on with my face. Now, the only thing the dermatologist I went to today said that the cream that she prescribed to me was more for controlling acne, as to where I really wanted more for controlling this redness. I think that's what bugs me the most when I'm not broke out up here. So it says the set, your custom formula plus cleanser and moisturizer with free shipping is $29.95 a month. Or you can just get the custom formula, which is what I'm thinking about doing, for $19.95 a month, plus the $4.95 for shipping. So I don't know, it almost is worth just getting the whole set, because that'd be $25 as opposed to $25 more to get the cleanser and the moisturizer. So I don't know. I have to think on that. Let me know y'all's opinion. They do tell you at Curology to give it time, that it could take several months for you to start noticing a difference. They can treat acne, they can treat dark spots, redness, they can help you with firmness, skin texture, wrinkles. You can customize it to whatever, clogged pores. You know, it's customizable. Like I said, you do talk to the dermatologist back and forth. Make sure you get if you do it, the pictures with the clean face. Let me see if I have any kind of link to get y'all a discount. Okay, it looks like my boxes are scheduled to ship every 2 months at $59.90 plus tax when applicable. So that'll let you know how long the stuff should last me. After that first initial free month. I'm not finding anywhere that it says a link to get y'all a discount. I will keep looking into that. They also do tell you stuff to avoid. A treatment plan, my formula, and my routine. So it tells you what they prescribed, what you can expect, and your recommended routine. So they said, like, don't use brushes and scrubs. Don't use BHA, which is salicylic acid, I know I'm saying that wrong. Benzoyl peroxide, AHA, which is glycolic acid or lactic acid, topical vitamin C, or retinol. So they suggested that I take all that stuff out. And I really have been trying not to use a whole bunch of extra stuff on my face, besides just the makeup. So that'll give you a little hint at some of the suggestions that they use. I'm not finding anywhere that I can give y'all a link. So I'll just put the main link to their page down below. And maybe I can reach out to them and see if I can get y'all a discount code or something like that. Anyway, so that's my day, and I'm gonna make some more videos. I'll see y'all later. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.